Imagine the silence of space, unbroken for billions of years, suddenly pierced by a signal from the shadows. It's the year 2025. A NASA Artemis mission has just returned from the far side of the moon, that hidden hemisphere forever turned away from Earth. A canvas of craters and dust, untouched by human eyes until now. But what if, in the grainy footage beamed back from the lunar rover, something stares back? Not a rock, not a shadow, but an anomaly that defies explanation, a structure. Perhaps etched into the regolith like a whisper from the cosmos. What if NASA found something on the dark side of the moon that changes everything we thought we knew about our closest celestial neighbor? Hold your breaths, because this discovery isn't just about science, it's about the fragile thread connecting us to the stars, and the secrets they've been hiding in plain sight. As the first images flicker across mission control screens, a hush falls over the room. Engineers lean forward, their faces illuminated by the glow of monitors, hearts pounding with a mix of exhilaration and dread. The far side of the moon, often misnamed the dark side, isn't shrouded in eternal night, it's simply the face that Earth never sees. Locked in synchronous rotation due to tidal forces that have bound our worlds together for eons. Sunlight bathes it just as brightly, but its isolation has preserved mysteries that the near side, battered by meteorites and observed for millennia, could never hold. Picture the rover's wheels crunching over fine lunar soil, kicking up plumes that hang in the vacuum like frozen smoke. The camera pans across vast Maria ancient lava plains, frozen in time, and then there it is, a geometric formation, unnatural in its precision, half buried under layers of dust, accumulated over countless cosmic impacts. Is it a relic from a long-lost civilization, or a natural phenomenon we've yet to understand? The stakes couldn't be higher. If this is artificial, it could rewrite human history, suggesting we're not alone in the universe. If it's geological, it might unlock resources that propel humanity into a new era of space exploration. Feel the weight of that moment, the isolation of the astronauts, millions of miles from home, standing on the precipice of revelation. The moon, once a symbol of dreams and conquest, now feels alive, watching, waiting for us to uncover its truths. Diving deeper, let's unravel the enigma step by step, guided by the light of real science. The far side's rugged terrain, pockmarked with craters like South Pole Aitken, one of the solar system's largest impact basins, tells a story of violent birth, formed some 4.5 billion years ago when a Mars-sized object slammed into Earth, birthing the moon from the debris. This distant face has endured without the protective gaze of our planet. No atmosphere means no erosion, preserving every scar like a fossil record of the cosmos. But what could NASA have found? Consider the anomalies we already know: lunar swirls. Those ethereal, bright patterns twisting across the surface like cosmic fingerprints. Scientists believe they are caused by magnetic fields shielding the soil from solar wind, preventing it from darkening over time. Visualize them swirling tendrils of light amid the gray, as if the moon itself is painting messages in the dust. Yet, our hypothetical discovery goes beyond perhaps a monolithic structure, echoing the fictional obelisk from Arthur C. Clarke's visions, but grounded in possibility. Real missions like China's Change 4, which landed there in 2019, have already detected unusual subsurface layers, using ground-penetrating radar hints of ancient lava tubes or buried ice deposits. Ice on the moon? Yes, confirmed in shadowed craters where temperatures plummet to -230 degrees Celsius, trapping water molecules from comet impacts. Imagine the rover drilling into the regolith, unearthing not just frozen water, but something embedded within a crystalline lattice that pulses with faint energy. Defying entropy, questions cascade: how did it get there? Could it be a remnant from the moon's formation, or something placed deliberately? As we probe further, The mystery thickens. Seismic data from Apollo-era instruments revealed moonquakes, vibrations rippling through the interior, suggesting a partially molten core. What if this anomaly is tied to that hidden heart, a conduit for geothermal energy long dormant? Picture the camera zooming in, the structure's edges sharp against the curved horizon, sunlight glinting off facets that seem engineered. Emotion swells the wonder of discovery, mingled with a primal fear of the unknown. Each revelation pulls us closer to the edge, where science meets the sublime, and the universe whispers its secrets in equations and echoes. But pause for a breath in this vast expanse. The moon's far side isn't just a place, it's a mirror to our own curiosities, reflecting the drive that propels us outward. And as we stand on this threshold, let's ensure our journey continues unbroken. Before we step further into the unknown, take a moment to subscribe to Future Lens so you and I can keep exploring worlds beyond time, space, and imagination together. Now, with that shared commitment, let's venture into the profound implications of this find, where the threads of possibility weave into a tapestry of cosmic consequence. If NASA discovery is indeed artificial, an artifact from an extraterrestrial intelligence, the ripple effects would cascade across humanity like a supernova's shockwave. Think of the Fermi paradox, that haunting question posed by physicist Enrico Fermi: where is everybody? In a universe teeming with billions of galaxies, each harboring billions of stars, the silence is deafening. This lunar enigma could be the answer, a beacon left behind by visitors who traversed the void eons ago, perhaps seeding life or observing from afar. Visualize global headlines exploding, stock markets fluctuating as industries pivot towards space defense or interstellar communication. Governments convene in secret, debating disclosure. Do we broadcast our presence or cloak ourselves in caution? Scientifically, it might reveal advanced materials, defying our understanding of physics, metamaterials that bend light, or quantum-entangled devices hinting at faster than light information transfer. But delve deeper, what if it's not alien, but human? Ancient astronauts' theories aside, consider panspermia, the idea that life hitchhikes on comets and meteors. This structure could be a microbial vault, preserving extremophiles from Earth's early days, ejected during cataclysmic events and crash landing on the moon. The far side's isolation would make it a perfect time capsule, untouched by solar radiation that sterilizes the near side. Feel the tension build. Astronomers train telescopes on the site, detecting faint electromagnetic signatures that pulse in patterns resembling prime numbers, a universal language of mathematics. Future missions swarm the area, rovers and landers dotting the landscape like ants on a hill, unearthing layers that challenge our timelines. Helium-3, that rare isotope abundant on the lunar surface, could power fusion reactors for millennia, but intertwined with this anomaly, it might unlock unlimited energy, reshaping economies and ending resource wars. Yet, hidden truths lurk. What if the discovery awakens something? Moonquakes intensify, as if the satellite itself stirs from slumber, or mingles with trepidation, painting vivid scenes in the mind's eye. Astronauts in bulky suits, flashlight beams cutting through eternal twilight, uncovering chambers etched with symbols that mirror ancient Earth scripts. The universe expands before us, not just in scale, but in meaning, inviting us to question our solitude in the grand design. As we push boundaries, the scenario unfolds into bolder futures, where this lunar secret becomes the cornerstone of human evolution. Colonization accelerates, habitats sprout around the site, drawing scientists, philosophers, and dreamers to a new frontier. Imagine domed cities glowing against the stark backdrop, fusion powered by the very anomaly we've harnessed, turning the moon into a stepping stone for Mars and beyond. Deeper cosmic questions emerge. Is the moon a sentinel, placed by a galactic federation to monitor emerging civilizations? or a relic of a multiverse collision, where realities bleed into one another. Quantum mechanics offers clues entanglement, suggesting particles linked across vast distances, perhaps explaining the structure's responsiveness to human proximity. Tension heightens as simulations run what if meddling triggers a chain reaction. Altering gravity wells are summoning interstellar phenomena. Visuals cascade Earth from lunar orbit, a fragile blue marble, now forever changed by this connection. Possibilities bloom medical breakthroughs from alien biotech, extending lifespans or philosophical shifts, uniting humanity under a shared cosmic heritage. The far side, once a void, becomes a bridge, linking past cataclysms to future ascensions. In this narrative, we see ourselves reflected not as conquerors, but as humble explorers, our footprints in the dust a testament to curiosity's enduring flame, slowing now as the echoes of discovery fade into contemplation. Let's reflect on what this means for us. Fragile beings adrift on a speck of rock in the infinite. The moon has always been more than a companion, it's a silent witness to our aspirations, our fears, our place in the grand symphony of existence. If NASA truly found something on its hidden face, it reminds us that the universe is not indifferent, it's alive, with stories waiting to be told. Secrets etched in stone and starlight. We stand at the dawn of a new understanding, where science and wonder entwine, revealing that we're not merely observers, but participants in a cosmic dialogue billions of years in the making. And in that revelation lies the true power, not domination, but harmony with the unknown. So, as the lunar horizon curves into eternity, remember this: perhaps the greatest discovery isn't what's out there, but the boundless potential within us to reach for it, forever chasing the light in the darkness.